Tatsuya clutched his mother's hand as they walked through the towering glass doors of the city library. The crisp scent of old books and freshly printed pages swirled in the air, making him smile. Today was special. He and his mother had come for an AI storytelling class, something he had been eagerly looking forward to all week. The library was alive with soft murmurs and the gentle rustling of pages. They made their way past rows of neatly arranged bookshelves to a brightly lit room at the back. A digital screen at the front displayed the words, AI Storytelling, Imagination Meets Technology. Tatsuya's mother squeezed his hand. "Are you excited?" she asked. He nodded enthusiastically. "Yes, I want to see how AI can tell stories like the ones in my books." Inside, children and parents took their seats. A friendly-looking instructor greeted them. "Welcome, everyone. Today we're going to create stories with the help of artificial intelligence." Tatsuya's eyes widened as the instructor demonstrated how AI could take a simple idea and transform it into a vivid story. "Who wants to try?" she asked. Tatsuya raised his hand high. "Me." He thought for a moment and said, "A samurai who befriends a dragon." The AI processed his idea, and within moments, a tale of courage and friendship unfolded on the screen. As the story came to life, Tatsuya felt a spark of inspiration. One day, he wanted to write stories too, maybe even with the help of AI. He looked up at his mother, who smiled warmly. "Keep dreaming, Tatsuya," she said, and he knew he would.